Hello, Mr. Banner. This is a step-by-step video tutorial explaining the three methods of searching on Google. I provided this just because it is a lot of information, and in case you need it, it is right here. All right, let's get started. So for your research topic about whether people prefer ebooks or regular books, we can do a normal simple Google search. So we could do people prefer ebooks or print books? I had looked it up prior to doing this. So, all right, we can click it and you'll see we'll be provided with a lot of information from various blogs, websites. It's a lot and it's kind of overwhelming. And kind of the best practices for, research topics like this, we try to avoid using .com or .net, and we try to focus more on .org, .edu, and .gov. The most common reason for this is because websites that use .com or .net tend to be unreliable and unpredictable because a lot of the times anyone can just make a website and publish information. Whether we interpret it as truth or not, it's solely up to us, and it's solely up to us to safely navigate. So it is more preferred to use .edu and .gov. So in order for this to kind of work, we can see there's stuff like .com. We can avoid that. Here's a .org site. And a lot of these sites provide the research and citations needed to, kind of backtrack. Like, where did they get this information? So there's one method. This is the simple Google search. We can do another method, which is using Google Scholar. So by typing into your browser or the link I provided, we can go to Google Scholar. Here we can put in your prompt. So we could do people prefer ebooks or print books? And here you will be provided with only research works and academic works. All these works are credible. They have a lot of research, citations, and all their information should be provided. A lot of these are coming from academic institutions, research companies, and etc. And with here, you can kind of condense your search. We could go from 2020, and you will see various topics: how people view digital books, or how they engage with print, or and etc. And this is kind of from everywhere. You would have to kind of be a little bit more specific on what age group you're trying to look for, or um, if it's general public, academic, etc. But this is kind of a good way to get a start onto your research. And we have one more option, which is using Google's advanced search service. So it's going to be Google Advanced Search. It's going to be this first one right here. All right, and then we're gonna put your prompt again down here on all these words. You could kind of be more specific on the filters, but for right now, we're just gonna do just a generic search. And remember, following backtracking onto the what sites we normally focus on. So right here on the domain, you can kind of put edu, .org, .gov, or even .com, but we want to focus more on the more reliable websites. If you don't want to use the academic works or the research, we can at least find you some, or find yourself some accurate or more reliable websites. So we will put .org, hit advanced search. Oops. Oh, no, that's wrong. Ignore that. And so now we will see only .org websites on our search. And so this is all kind of more credible compared to the .com or the .net that I mentioned earlier. And it's all on the topic versus print books versus ebooks. And all it really matters is if you're just trying to do an overall search, or if you want to be more specific and generalize your search for young adults, adults, it's solely up to you. But these are the three ways to use Google for your research needs. All right. And if you need any additional help, Mr. Banner, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.